I'm trying to answer the question why evaluation and control are important. Why? Let me put it down. Why evaluation and control is important. Why is it important? Systematically assess the effectiveness of strategies and to monitor ongoing implementation of strategic plans. That's a question. The first reason is that these processes keeps the organization on track. One, helps keep the organization on track. It helps identify deviations from the strategic path early on. Number two, provides feedback. When you monitor performance of strategic plans, you get feedback. It offers insights into what's working and what is not working, informing future strategic decisions. The third reason is ensures sufficient resource allocation. Ensures sufficient resource allocation. Ensures sufficient resource allocation. By monitoring performance, resources can be directed to the most effective areas. Then number four, increases organization learning. Evaluation and control increases organizational learning. The evaluation process itself, candidates, can lead to a deeper understanding of the business environment and a deeper understanding of organizational capabilities. 5, enhances accountability. Evaluation and control enhances accountability. It establishes responsibility for performance and outcomes, and in so doing, it enhances accountability. 6, helps in adapting to change. Evaluation and control helps in adapting to change because the business environment we know is dynamic, and effective evaluation and control allows for timely adjustments to the strategies. Understand? Yes, because here we said when you control, you monitor the ongoing implementation so that if there is any deviation from the original plan, then you can take corrective action. So that's the meaning of evaluation and control in the context of strategic management. In our next session, we are going to discuss the process of evaluating and controlling in strategic management. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.